Have you ever walked into a room and felt like you've been there before? That strange sensation is called déjà vu. Today, we explore the scientific reasons why your brain tricks you into remembering a moment that just happened. Déjà vu literally translates from French as already seen, describing a false feeling of familiarity with a brand new experience that you haven't lived before. Research suggests this occurs when there is a discrepancy in how our brain processes sensory information versus where it stores the memory of that experience. According to Brown's 2003 study, this phenomenon happens when a new experience triggers a pathway in the brain that momentarily loops back, creating a duplicate signal. It is essentially a glitch in timing. Your conscious mind registers the event as new, but your subconscious has already processed it, sending conflicting signals about familiarity. While some people experience this constantly, experts agree that for most healthy individuals, occasional déjà vu is far from a memory fault and indicates a functioning brain. So the next time you feel like you've lived a moment before, know it's just your brain playing a trick with its own memory processing systems. Does this explanation make sense to you? Let us know in the comments if you think it's a glitch or a feature of the mind. Subscribe for more deep dives into human psychology.